Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI S3 Pro, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's reach the settings, and here we have to find apps and notifications. Now let's scroll down and tap on advanced, and here let's choose special app access. Now let's find install unknown apps, which is right here, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are currently not allowed to install anything. If you'd like to change it, for example, if you'd like to allow Chrome to install some content, all you have to do is simply tap on it and tap on the switcher right here. Be aware that some third-party apps are not verified by the developer, so your device and personal data are more vulnerable to attacked by unknown apps. So remember that you are doing it on your own responsibility. Let's get back. And as you can see, from now on the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Of course, it will work with all other apps, just do the same. So let's enter, tap on the switcher and go back. If you'd like to turn it off the same way, just tap on Chrome and tap on the switcher here. Let's get back. And as you can see, from now on the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So actually that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your UMIDIGI S3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.